In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install YouTube on a Switch or a Switch 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, from the home screen, scroll down and you're going to see a Nintendo eShop icon on here. Select that and choose the profile that's going to be using the eShop. Just keep in mind that that profile must be linked to a Nintendo account. If it's not, you'll be prompted to link one before continuing. But once the shop itself does load, stay in this left-hand sidebar and go ahead and select search or browse and then scroll over and you're going to want to type in YouTube just like so. You should see it pop up in these suggestions. Select it, hit search just like so, and then you're going to see it pop up in here. As you can see, I already own it. But essentially, go ahead and select that, and you're going to see, the option on this right hand side where mine currently says virtual game cards to select free download. Go ahead and select that, confirm the download, and press close when it says thank you, and you'll be returned to the home screen itself where you can go ahead and find YouTube on there. Open it up, choose a user profile. You can either sign into an account or browse videos without signing in, or just watch all of the videos here on this channel. But that is it. YouTube is now going to be installed on your Switch or Switch 2. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.